Clap your hands, clap your hands. What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about why I talk so loud. A lot of people always say, Vince, why are you yelling? Vince, why are you screaming? Vince, we can't hear you, talk louder. And those people probably have the same problem I do. We're Italian. No, maybe we have a problem with our hearing. In other videos with you, we talked about the solutions for drilling and driving. And I've said in previous videos that I prefer to use a drill driver, especially when I'm working long hours, because it makes less noise. It makes less noise than an impact driver when driving larger fasteners. I've even alluded to, I like a lot of people to use that drill driver instead of an impact driver. We talked about solutions like the surge impact driver being a quiet impact driving solution. And this is the thing. A lot of people hit our comments section and said, hey, if that guy tried to tell me what tool to use, I'd leave. Or I'd tell him he can go, or I would tell him to take it and shove it and blah, blah, blah. And nobody gonna tell me nothing and blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You know what? I found a solution from Milwaukee Tool to solve all of these problems. It's fairly inexpensive. You don't need to spend an additional $100 or $200 for a quiet impact driver. You can use your standard impact driver, your fuel impact driver. You don't have to use a drill driver. We're going to give you the specs. It's an amazing tool. It's cordless, it's brushless, it doesn't use batteries. It's coming right up after this word from our sponsor, VCG Construction. So here it is. It's Milwaukee's 10-pack of all-day comfort earplugs. And these just aren't any old earplug. They have a lot of specifications. You should take a very good look at these because these are definitely going to help you have a better quality of life. These are going to allow you, when your loved ones say, I love you, you're going to be able to hear them. Only if you take the earplugs out, though. You can't have the earplug. You won't be able to hear them when they say, I love you. Okay? Because these knock out. These reduce. They have a noise reduction rating of 32 decibels. Now, if somebody's trying to whisper sweet nothings in the ear, I love you, you're not going to be able to hear it because you got the earplugs in. They also have a few other features. Let's talk about them. These Milwaukee earplugs are designed to provide users with all-day comfort while working on the job. Comfortable foam expands quickly in the user's ear for secure seal to protect against hazardous, unbelievably loud noises. Decibel-reducing earplugs are designed with a tapered shape to comfortably fit inside the ear canal, providing users noise reduction rating of 32 decibels. Individually sealed pairs of foam earplugs are available so you can easily distribute them on the job site. This 10-pack is under $4. Whether you're using impact drivers or heavy machinery or jackhammers, this is the reality of it. It's one day of it, not a big deal. It's when you have day in and day out, you're using these types of tools and you're not using ear protection. It's damage over time. Causes debilitating illness. You can't hear. People got to scream at you. Next thing you know, everybody, you and your family, you're screaming at one another. It's like you all immediately turn to Italian. The only thing you need to do now is start talking with your hands. We're going to open these up. I'm going to show you how to install these properly. We're going to unbox a pair, and then we're going to tell you how to install these. First things first. Before you go and, I know this might be tough, but we don't want you getting an ear infection. So to properly install these in your ear canal, because that's what you're going to do, you're going to want to wash your hands. If you can't wash with soap and water, I would at least suggest you used that hand sanitizer, okay? Now here's the deal. I washed my hands previously, but I am going to use some some hand sanitizer. You'll see this is one of my favorite scents. The missus got it for me. It says, but first, coffee. It smells like coffee. I drink coffee anyway, okay? But you're gonna wanna either, like I said, preferably wash your hands. If you can't wash your hands, you're gonna wanna at least use some hand sanitizer. You're then gonna get you're gonna make sure your hands the hand sanitizer is dry. You're then going to take the earplug, okay, and you're going to kind of roll it around in your fingers, okay? You roll it around in your fingers. You see it right here. It says it. Step 1, gently roll earplug between thumb and finger. Yo, did you ever see the Lincoln commercial with that dude? What's that dude's name? Remember he was driving in his Lincoln and he's like rolling his fingers together. It's like he was rolling a boogie. You know, and he was rolling a boogie in his fingers. He's driving his Lincoln. He's just like reflecting on life. And he's just rolling his boogie in his fingers. And what was that dude's name? I can't remember, right? That's what you're going to do here. Act like you're that guy in the Lincoln commercial. Leave it down in the comment section below if you know what his name is, okay? You're rolling your boogie. You're going to roll your earplug, okay? Next thing you're going to do is, after you roll the bug, okay, you're going to grab your ear, the top of your ear. You're going to pull it up. Okay, you're going to make yourself look like the character from Lord of the Rings. All right? You're going to get the earplug. You're going to insert it into your ear canal. You're going to push it. You're going to push it into your ear canal. Okay? You're going to hold it there in your ear canal. Don't push it in too far. You're going to hold it there for about 40 seconds. So at least half to 3/4 of that plug should be within your ear canal. When you have the ear plugs properly installed, they should not be visible to people. You know, I will suggest not pushing these into your ear canal too far. You don't want to have to go to the emergency room and have them extracted. Okay? You're going to put them in half to 3/4. Okay? If you're standing directly in front of me, like you are now, can you see the earplug? Okay, they shouldn't be visible. Obviously, if I turn to the side, you're going to be able to see it. Is it popping out? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. They're not supposed to be popping out of your ear. You're going to repeat the process, okay, for your other ear. Going to do the same thing over again. You're going to roll it up like a Lincoln driver. Rolling a bug. Okay. Roll it up. Small. Roll it like a boogie between your fingers and your thumb. Roll it up.
Oh, they're going to appreciate the ASMR.
Roll it like a boogie. And the reality is that's why you want clean hands. You don't want your dirty hands, okay, rolling up a bug, okay? If you ever did roll up a bug, you'll know if it comes out and you roll it long enough, it turns black because it's picking up the dirt off your finger. It's picking up the dirt off your fingers, okay? You don't want that. If your earplug turns black, okay, don't pop it in your mouth, okay, like you would normally, okay, if you were rolling up a bug, some of you, okay? And don't put it in your ear because you could give yourself an ear infection. Make sure your hands are clean. You're going to roll it up, okay? You're going to roll it up. You're going to grab your ear. You're going to insert it, okay? Half to 3/4 of the way into your ear canal. Don't force it all the way in to the point where it gets lost in your ear canal and it has to be surgically removed, okay? Read the instructions. Don't just use this video as a guide because we will not be responsible. We're just giving you an idea. Read all of these directions correctly. Okay? You're going to hold it here for 35 to 40 seconds until it expands in your ear canal. Okay? Once it expands in your ear, it should be halfway to 3/4 in your ear canal. Standing straight on, you should not be able to see these earplugs at all. Once both of these are installed in your ear, you will have a noise reduction, a sound reduction of 32 decibels. Pretty awesome. We're going to run this quarter by 6-inch fastener. I mean, the Surge is generally a quiet impact driver anyway. But with these earplugs in, it's not affecting me at all. I feel like it's even more comfortable. But let's run the Gen 3 impact, which is much louder, and let's see if it makes a difference. You know, usually that would be very, very loud, and it could be disturbing over time. Hearing this, okay, it could reduce your ability to hear. And you don't want that. Now, this is important. The way sound is transmitted to your eardrum is also through your bones, okay, around your ears, not just through the ear canal. I'm going to stress this. In instances with extremely loud tools and equipment, you're going to want to also consider wearing over-the-ear protection in conjunction with these earplugs. Over the ear is going to protect those bones from picking up those extremely loud noises. It's going to provide you with a better quality of life. Now, here's the deal. When you're wearing these earplugs, because noise is reduced, you're not going to realize how loud you're talking. So it's a good idea to pick up a 10-pack. You can hand these out to everybody on the job site, so everybody doesn't ask you why you're screaming. Also, using the earplugs, it's going to be more comfortable on the job site, especially around all the loud noises. The only thing is, though, even though I have earplugs in, I can't. I might not be able to hear you. I couldn't hear you anyway. I'm still gonna be able to read those comments in our comments section. Hey, Vin, why are you yelling? And I feel like having a better quality of life in the trades over time, so you could work longer, provide for your family, yourself, then smash the like button. If you still want to be able to hear "I love you" from those loved ones, okay, because they love you so much, even after you've been in the trades 40, 50 years. Get subscribed and tap the bell, because we do important videos like this all the time. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.
Can you hear me?
I got to tell you, these work really well. All kidding aside.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think it's the greatest video we've ever done.